So now we've created our service and it's all ready to receive work to do. The next question is, how do we actually use it? How do we actually provide work to it? Now basically, as long as that service is within the same process, which it very often is, requesting it to do work is actually really easy. Basically, we just create an intent and we provide the component class. In other words, we create an instance of the intent class and we simply tell it the class that's associated with our service or what class our service is implemented in. And with that intent, the operating system is then able to actually go out there and find the service for us. Now, if you want to actually pass additional parameters with the intent, as the case with all intents, there's actually the extras, right? You can actually use put extra to provide additional parameters out to it, so you can pass arguments to the service as well. Now, once you have your intent created, all we have to do now is call start service and pass that intent. And then when you pass the intent to start service, the OS will go out there, find the component for us, and start it up for us. Now, one of the things to keep in mind, a couple things. First of all, is that the start service method is actually on the context class. And sometimes that's confusing for people. Remember that most of the major components inside of Android, whether it be an activity, a service, or some of the others, all inherit from context. So basically, when we say something is context.startService, you're basically just going to call start service right from your activity. The other thing is that the function name start service is kind of a misnomer. It's really kind of more of a dispatch task sort of thing. Because when you first call start service, if the service isn't running, the operating system does start the service up and then pass work to it. But if the service is already running, start service just passes more work to it. So the start service only starts the service if it's not already running. If it is running, it uses the existing one that's there and keeps passing work into it.